welcome back to the Real Zone Fishing channel. Today I'm shooting a pretty cool episode, live crawfish, or live bait, but mostly live crawfish only challenge. We're gonna be fishing a river in a downtown area, fishing for smallmouth bass, and I'm biking down there right now. I brought one rod, got a drop shot rigged up, gonna put a live crawfish on there, and we'll see if we can catch them. Be there in just a second. All right guys, so we've got to the first spot here. I'm just gonna stop, and I brought some worms along that I found. Like I said, only live bait, and I'm gonna put it up on the drop shot real quick. See if I can't catch a smallmouth. Oh, that's perfect. All right. There's no fish here. I'm just gonna keep moving down river into the city area. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, my whole entire worm just got ripped off. I see it. I see the fish that just took it right there. I have to go grab more bait. All right, let's get him. Not what we were looking for, not a giant either. We're gonna keep moving, looking for some smallmouth. All right, I'll see if this will work. I can sight fish to a certain extent, you know. It's kind of dark. Oh, there's another big one. There's another big one. That's where I usually catch them. As soon as I see them, though, they see me. I'm scaring them. There we go. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, I'm gonna fall in, dude. Dude, he choked it. Nah, man, I'm good. Oh, nice. Thanks. Dude, that's a nice fish. For in here. There he goes. Well, we're going home now, and I want to close the video up and say thanks for watching, and I'll try to do some cool stuff like this in the future. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and please like the video and subscribe and comment. Thank you. Peace out.